How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about whether you guys can connect your WordPress account to your Showit account. So this is so we can integrate blog posts together or build websites with both platforms and whatnot. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So this question has been asked by many users who use both platforms as they're pretty versatile in what they do. So if you guys want to create a website that is domain-based, WordPress is the way to go. And if you want to build a website with an interface that's nice to look at, then Showit would be the place to go to. Now the question remains, can you integrate both platforms? And the short answer is no. There actually isn't a native way to connect the two platforms. As you can see here, I'm logged into both my WordPress account as well as my Showit account. And if you guys navigate to the dashboard of Showit and click on integrations, you'll see that the only platform available for integration is Instagram, which is not very great. Now, if you guys head on over to WordPress and click on the plugins tab, like so, click on add new plugin. If you type Showit in the search bar, you'll see that there's actually no compatible tool or plugin that can integrate with WordPress. So there's no native way to do this. So you guys would have to do things manually if you want to copy over the overall design of your website or blog page over at Showit to WordPress. So all this to say that there isn't a built-in way to migrate or transfer your data over from each platform to the other. So yeah, hopefully that answers everyone's question, whether you guys can connect WordPress and Showit. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.